Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is Khushbu Khan and you're watching my channel. If you are seeing my face at very first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about this Maybelline Matte Ink in the shade number 70 Amazonian, and you can see this. Okay, basically, let me tell you the price of it. It's 650 rupees and you get this much of product. So this shade is Amazonian, as I mentioned. I will give the link in the description box so you can go and check out and you can buy from there. So the shade looks like this exactly, and I'm going to swatch it on my hands. You can see at one swatch. So now I'm going to be applying on my lips. So I want to tell you one thing, that it takes a little time to dry up on your lips, but after drying also it leaves that stickiness kind of feeling on your lips. I'm going to apply it, with this applicator on my lips. I applied my lip balm, which is Nivea lip balm, and now I'm applying this. You can see the color. It's very natural, and if you're like a college going girl, or if you're going for an office and you don't want that bold kind of lips, you can definitely use this. As you can see, I easily applied it, and the applicator is, thank God, is so convenient to use on the lips. Basically, it's not a sponsored post, but I definitely want you to recommend this, and this is so good. Like, you can see my lips, it really takes 5 to 6 minutes to dry up on the skin, and it stays for 16 to 17 hours. To have some oily food, of course it's gonna come off, because it can easily come off if you apply oil on your lips. So you need to buy a oil based makeup remover to remove your lipstick. So you guys, you need to definitely buy this product because it stays for 16 hours, and also it is quite good for college going girls and those who works in office and those who doesn't want their lips to look bold every day. And I'm really loving this product, so I'm recommending you guys to get one, and I will be attaching the link in my description box as well. So yeah, thumbs up for this product. I will give 9 out of 10 because 1 point I minus it just because of the stickiness that it leaves on the lips, which most of us don't like. So guys, that was it for today's review. I hope you guys like this. You can definitely give it a try. It's amazing. It like, the lasting power is amazing. So yeah, go and get one. I will be back again with a new video. Till then, please take care guys. Bye bye.